Hello guys, I will show you UTF-32 encoding in Python for strings. So let's see how it's done. Firstly, take a sample string my name is John in txt. Now to find its encoding, we will simply write it as txt encode and in bracket mention the encoding UTF-32. The default encoding is UTF-8. Here we will not be using any error handling function. Press shift and enter and we can see our output. Let's mention the default is UTF-8. There are 5 kinds of error handling as mentioned in the list. Let's see them each one by one in this for loop. I'm using f strings in the print function and in curly braces we will mention the variable names. Types of error I, the value is, we will use the curly braces for variable names. Now press shift and enter. Okay, we have got our output. As we can see, the encoding value is same in every case. Only the different is type of error is. No error has occurred as we can see. It is completely encodable. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.